Welcome everyone and congratulations on your achievements. On the department of behalf, I welcome you all and your parents if they are there for this function. And without taking too much time, I am handing it over to Professor Banerjee for his formal address to the gathering.
And so today is a day where all our faculty members are immensely proud in all your achievements, and we really have tremendous goodwill for all of you, and we would like to keep in touch, and we are delighted. We are unhappy that we are not able to meet in person, but we thought that even if we are not having a formal convocation ceremony, let's have a brief interaction so that we can wish you all the best. All of you have a tremendous amount of potential, and you have also imbibed the whole set of skills and techniques. And whether you are in the energy sector or whether you are in any other sector, we hope the way of looking at a problem, looking at the data, understanding what is right, looking at the issues involved, these are things which will carry you through, and we hope that you will really make a mark in the real world.
Yeah. Hello everyone. So it's as Professor Ranganath said that it would have been nice if all of us would have been here, but yeah, fortunately or unfortunately, at least we have a sort of a gathering, we have a meeting, and good to see that many of our students are here, many with parents. So again, congratulations to all of you. Devendra.
I would like to thank you all, sir, on behalf of our class. You have catered all us very much, and that was nice feeling. A very short time actually, but that was nice feeling to be here in IIT Bombay for 2 years, and we enjoyed a lot. That's because of you and all faculties and my friends. So thank you all.
Yes, sir. Rishabh here from PhD. I would really like to thank all the faculty members, especially my guide, Professor Prakash Ghosh, without whom we would not have been here. I would not have been here, and I'm pretty sure none of my batchmates, this class of 2020, would have been here. So thank you so much to the faculty and everyone who helped us, and definitely the staff as well, energy staff. I could see a few of them here, Kale sir and Hemant and some others. So thank you so much for helping us through our journey. Thank you so much.
Yes,
So
yes.
hello everybody, it's great to see everybody here, and thank you to the department for arranging this. It's a little disappointing to abruptly end our journey, which has been so long at IIT, and I've spent one of the best years of my life there, and I'm really going to cherish all those moments.
It was less than 2 years, and I was appointed the FACAD of your batch in 2015. And been having this journey with you for the last 5 years. Good and some experiences throughout. And just like Professor Rangan mentioned, I also want to remember Majji at this time. I know it was a hard thing on a lot of you during this time, and I hope we all wish us the best for you. And with that, I'll stop here. Congratulations to everyone. The real world awaits you. Good luck.
Hi everyone. So I've written something for the batch. Okay, I'll take a minute or two. So we don't have a word for the opposite of loneliness. But if we did, I could say that's what I want in life. What I'm grateful and thankful to have found at IITB, and what I'm scared of losing when we wake up tomorrow and we realize that it's officially over. For most of us, we are in the sea and we are very confused. And we are on a road that we didn't know that we wanted to take, or we did not. Only if I've been in the electrical department, only if I've been in some council in the freshman year, only if I've applied for this or I've applied for that. But what we have to remember is that we can do anything. We can change our minds. We can start over. The notion that it's too late to do anything is comical. It's hilarious. We're graduating, guys. We're so young. We can't and we must not lose this sense of possibility, because in the end, it's all that we have. And also, we know कि हम सब ने जाकिर सर का कोर्स कितनी मुश्किल से निकाला, but निकाला है. We don't have a word for opposite of loneliness, but if we did, I'd say that's how I feel at IITB and in my department, Energy Sciences. And this is how I feel right now, with all the love to you guys, love and the feeling that I have for being impressed, humbled and scared. But the point is, we don't have to lose this web that we have. We are in this together, be it it's 2020, be it we have coronavirus or whatever we have, but let's make sure that we'll make something good happen to this world. Signing out, Nihar Verma, 15D, 17 and 21.
I just want to ask Nihar a question. Where did he get that convocation outfit? He's right in the zone with the green sash and all. Did you plan for all this?
Actually, it's my mom's chunni. I was so desperate for this event because since the last 5 years, I've always imagined myself getting a degree and getting my photo clicked with Rangan sir with that degree and with this grin.
Hello everyone, Rubin here. So,
You're Rubin, you're
Zakir sir, don't change your syllabus or your pattern. Even though the course was hard, we did enjoy and it was a real feeling of achievement when we finally passed it. And we believe the juniors should also experience that. A big thank you to all the professors and the staff who really made our 5 years here at IITB. And if I personally had a chance to do it all again, I wouldn't change a thing. It was really a really good experience for me, and I'm sure for all of my batchmates also. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
I'm over here. I really want to thank all of you in the energy department for like a really small group, and I would really like to thank Rangan sir for giving us a lot of exposure in the first year.
This is Pawan Duri, PhD. I'm not sure how many of you know me because I see most of the new MTech professors. I'm pretty sure Rangan sir and Sumit sir and
yo dog yo.
So I actually never thought I'll get such faculty and good teachers to be frank, because I had no clue. I've only heard about at Bombay, and I still remember when I came in because I only had a BTech and I got entered into PhD. Antanu sir, being the HOD back then, forced me to take some 3-4 courses, which I not liked very much. But then I entered the classrooms and I remember JK Naik sir, Rangan sir and Sumit sir teaching me certain courses of energy. And after every course I went to them, I'm not sure if you remember, sir, but I really learned a lot, and the idea of looking at energy completely changed after being taught from you folks in the first and second semester. Thanks a lot, and I'll always remember. Thank you, sir.
I say all the best to all of you. Keep in touch. Come back from time to time, and it may be easy to come back because maybe we can have Energy Day virtually and actually eventually. So it will be very interesting. You can join wherever you are. And good to see you all, and all the best.
So let me just say, let me just wish you all the best for your future, and delighted to see so many of you here. Thank you.